Good evening everybody and welcome back to a very special vlog. Now I did try and vlog earlier but there wasn't much to the day. I thought, you know what, I had a really bad panic attack and I thought I'm going to start off, I'm going to start fresh, I'm going to start clean, and I'm going to tour you around Canary Wharf once again. Now the last time I showed you Canary Wharf, it was the Poppy Day trial. Today is the Winter Lights Trail. I'm not sure if any of these are part of it, but it is the Winter Lights Trail. I am so excited because some of them are interactive. Shut up! We have just found the cutest little rooftop garden you've ever seen in your life. So adorable. Everyone, we're now in Pizza Express, just having a little food run up and just having a little break. And I've gone for garlic bread and mozzarella. I think I didn't anticipate that this was the biggest pizza I have ever seen in my life. That's my hand compared to that. Okay, I know I look like a complete weirdo right now. There is an explanation for that. I did not just roll out of bed looking like this. Okay, so it's much later on. It's about 11 at night and I'm freezing cold in here because I think there was a draft in here. Wouldn't surprise me, windows are always left open. Hey, there we go. Right, I'm going to have to end the vlog here because I've got to get asleep, I've got to wipe my makeup off and I'm knackered. So thank you so much for watching. Also thank you so much for 27 subscribers and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys!